Hi guys, really quick video here. You've all seen these before. It's a buffer chip that's failed on a Samsung TV. There's actually two chips failed. I've taken one off already. I'm just going to show you how to take this off. A lot of people say remove the silicone first and then take the chip off, but in this video I'm going to show you it's just as easy. In fact, it's far easier to take it off with the silicone attached and clean up the board later. So here the board's on the preheater. I'll just get the hot air station on. Just make a little, with a sharp pin like that, make a little hook under there. And just heat straight on top of the chip. You'll notice we're heating the silicone as well at the same time. There you go. So that's the chip off. It's still got the silicone attached to it, and as you can see, doing it that way, most of the silicone comes off with a chip rather than scraping it all off the board. It's a lot easier to do it that way. So all we've got now is a little bit left there, and just clean it up and then ready for the new chip. Okay, camera's running again. So there you go. That's the two faulty buffer chips removed with the silicone still on, because it's a lot easier to do it that way than try and scrape it all off the board first, and that's just a quicker way of doing it. The board's all been cleaned up now, ready for the new one. Okay guys, bye.